Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Valorant error we could not install a required dependency error in your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Facing the Valorant error we could not install a required dependency error in your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open Task Manager. For that you need to right click on Start menu. You can see here Task Manager. Click on Task Manager. You can directly press Ctrl Alt Delete. Under Processes tab, you need to find Riot Client. If you find Riot Client, just right click on Riot Client and click on and Task and close this window. Again you need to click on Start menu, then type here Services, click on Services. In this you need to find VGC. If this is your VGC, just double click on that, or you can just right click on that and click on Properties. If your startup type is manual, you need to select as automatic. Once click on Stop, again you need to click on Start, click on Apply and click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant error we could not install a required dependency error in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.